In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Airbnb link from the app on your mobile phone. Whether you're planning a trip with friends or just found the perfect vacation spot you want to share with family, knowing how to quickly and easily share a link is essential. Let's dive right in and make sure you can send that exciting listing to anyone you want. First things first, you'll want to open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Locate the app's icon, which is usually a red background with a white logo that looks like an upside-down heart. Tap on it to get started. Once you have the app open, it's time to find the specific listing you're interested in sharing. You can do this by either browsing through recommended listings on the homepage or by using the search function, if you already have a destination in mind. As you navigate through the app and find that perfect place, click on the listing to view all the details. Now, once you have the listing page open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your mobile screen. Here, you'll spot an icon that looks like an arrow pointing upwards, commonly known as the share icon. This little icon is your gateway to sending the listing to others, so go ahead and tap on it. At this point, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen, presenting you with a variety of sharing options. You'll be able to choose how you'd like to share the link, and there are a couple of great choices. One of the simplest methods is to copy the URL directly. Selecting this option allows you to paste the link wherever you prefer, whether that's in a text message, an email, or a note for later. This gives you the flexibility to share the link on your own terms. However, if you like the idea of instant sharing, you can also make use of any social media or messaging apps you already have installed on your phone. Look for their icons in the pop-up menu to send your listing with just a tap. This can be a really handy option for sharing in group chats or on platforms where your friends or family are most active. If you're curious about other available sharing methods, don't forget to check out the More button, which might reveal additional apps or options you can use tailored specifically to your device's capabilities. And there you have it. Sharing an Airbnb link from the app is as straightforward as that. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and hassle-free, ready for the next time you stumble upon an incredible place. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy sharing!